you guys think about the Global Virtual Design Sprint? Yay! Imagine a space where you are encouraged to try new things and experiment new things that you have never done before and don't even need to worry about failing. This is what Global Virtual Design Sprint is about. Let me show you a clip.
And Sandy, do you want to kind of troubleshoot the audio problems that are going through YouTube? Somebody suggested.
Hello? I don't know if... I think I just screw everything up.
So what you just saw was a clip that was from a live stream that I did during the Global Virtual Design Sprint GVDS event in April. And I just went bananas and thought I would live stream this event and show it to the world how we actually do design sprint virtually. And as you saw, I screwed up a few things and it didn't really go so well. But what I also saw on the other side was that I got a really supportive group that was allowing me to experience these new things in public in life. And I screwed up the first time, and then we tried it a second time and a third time, and now I actually know how to live stream. Hi, my name is Sandy Lam. I'm a UX designer based in Germany. I was also so honored to be voted as the most valuable practitioner during the event in April. After participating that event, I have been recommending the GVDS to many different friends or coworkers. Very often, a question that I get from them is that if they have never experienced a role, should they still sign up for it? And my answer to them is always, yes, go for it. Because this is what the event is about. We are going to learn how you can do this together. And you will get all the support you need along the process. There will be tutorials that are coming up to help you, to teach you. There will be webinars. And if you ever have any questions, you can reach out to any of us and there will be people who will be much willing to answer your questions. I would always give the GVDS event thumbs up. Let's see what the elephants also say about the Global Virtual Design Sprint. Mango. Mango. See? Yay! Good girl. Fine. See? They also like it. Thanks for watching, and I really look forward to working with you during the Global Virtual Design Sprint GVDS event. Bye!